Just one use and weeds disappear for good. Weeds growing between paving stones or in the garden can be a real nightmare and often come back despite all efforts. But no weed can survive this home method. You won't spend hours on your knees pulling them out anymore. To make the spray, you only need 3 ingredients you surely already have at home. Pour about 2 cups of warm water into a tall container. Then take vinegar and measure out about 1 cup. Vinegar is effective against weeds because it contains acetic acid, which strongly damages plants. Pour it into the container. Now take salt and add 1 tablespoon. It dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in weed cells. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle to make application easier and pour the liquid inside. Spray the weeds growing between paving stones. Do it on a hot, sunny day so the mixture absorbs faster into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. Wait until the weeds die and dry out. Forget about pulling them out by hand. Let the spray do the work for you. Don't throw away your eggshells. This fizzy mixture may help your orchid produce new growth and look healthier than ever. Your orchid could reward you with lush blooms. All you need are the shells from 3 eggs. First, crack 3 eggs and save the shells. Eggshells are rich in calcium and other minerals, which is why they have long been used in homemade plant care remedies. Next, rinse the shells thoroughly with clean water, removing any remaining membrane from the inside. Once they are clean, spread them out on a paper towel and allow them to dry completely. When the shells are fully dry, place them in a grinder and process them into a very fine powder. Transfer the powder to a jar and pour in about 3.4 fluid ounces of vinegar. Within moments, you'll notice vigorous fizzing, foamy bubbles, and plenty of tiny air bubbles. This is a natural reaction in which the minerals contained in the eggshells gradually dissolve into the solution. Once the mixture is ready, measure out 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared liquid. Then add it to 1 quart of water and mix thoroughly. You can use this solution to water your orchid. Alternatively, pour it into a spray bottle and lightly mist the stems and aerial roots of the plant. Another option is to soak a cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe the orchid's leaves. With regular use, the plant may begin to look healthier, produce new growth, and develop additional flower spikes. As a result, your orchid may regain its beautiful appearance and reward you with vigorous growth and abundant blooms. Is your bike rusty? Try this trick. Even 10-year-old rust disappears with just a few wipes. Rust on bikes is very common, especially after rain and humidity, and removing it can be quite difficult. This is a simple home remedy for rust, using ingredients you likely already have at home. Prepare a bowl and fill it with warm water. Then, take some vinegar. Measure 1 cup and pour it into the bowl. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Its acid breaks down the rust structure and helps separate it from the metal. Sprinkle baking soda generously on the rusty spots, which reacts with the rust, loosens it, and makes it easier to remove. Take some aluminum foil. Tear off a small, comfortable piece and fold it. Dip it in the prepared mixture. Then start rubbing the rust. After just a moment, you'll see it start to come off, revealing a clean surface. Even old rust will disappear with little effort. After a few wipes, the metal will look much better. This is one of the best natural rust removal methods that will restore your bike to great condition. Breaks down toilet limescale like a hammer. Did you know how easy and cheap it is to get rid of limescale in the toilet? You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with about 2 ounces of dish soap. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. The third ingredient is vinegar, about 10 ounces. Mix everything well so the salt dissolves. Pour the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle to make it easier to apply. Now pour it all over the toilet bowl, especially where limescale builds up. Don't forget under the rim. Leave it overnight to let the mixture work. In the morning, just flush the toilet and enjoy the cleanliness. This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Make your home smell exceptional. All you need is vinegar and fabric softener. Mix them together to create a magical scent without expensive diffusers and candles. Pour everything into a larger bowl. Open a pot, add about 300 milliliters of water, toss in a generous handful of cloves, and turn on the stove. Cook for 5 minutes, and the aroma will start filling your kitchen, making it feel like you've just cleaned the entire house. Strain the infusion through a sieve and then pour it into the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Choose the one that works best for you. This step enhances the fragrance, helps eliminate unpleasant odors, and extends the feeling of freshness in your home. Pour the contents into a spray bottle, screw the cap on, and you've got a ready-to-use natural home spray. Spray it on rugs, pillows, the bed, and even outdoor areas. You'll feel the wave of fragrance, the cleanliness, and true comfort. Insects will flee, and your home will smell incredibly fresh. My neighbor thought I had completely lost it when she saw what I was using to clean my windows. A week later, she was doing exactly the same thing. This product can be found in almost every bathroom. Yet most people have no idea it can leave windows streak-free and shining for a long time. Grab a bowl and pour in some warm water. Warm water helps dissolve dirt, greasy residue, and dust much faster, making the whole cleaning process easier. Now it's time for the secret ingredient: Head & Shoulders shampoo. Add 1 tablespoon of shampoo and mix everything thoroughly. The shampoo does an excellent job of removing greasy fingerprints, dust, and buildup that gradually collects on windows. It also leaves behind a light protective layer that helps keep new dirt from sticking so quickly. To boost the effectiveness of this mixture, you can add a splash of vinegar or 1 tablespoon of dishwasher rinse aid. Vinegar helps break down grime and gives the glass an exceptional shine, while the rinse aid helps rain droplets slide off the surface more easily. I added 2 tablespoons of rinse aid. Mix everything well. Now take a microfiber cloth. It's the best choice for cleaning windows because it effectively picks up dirt and dust without leaving lint or streaks behind. Soak it in the prepared solution and squeeze out any excess liquid. Then clean your windows as usual. The result may genuinely surprise you. The glass becomes crystal clear, shiny, and stays looking spotless much longer. This simple solution not only cleans your windows, but also helps keep them cleaner for longer. Try it just once, and there's a good chance it will become a permanent part of your cleaning routine. Soak a cotton pad in this and place it inside the mound. Moles and voles will quickly leave your garden. Moles and voles dig tunnels and destroy your lawn and garden beds. Make this mixture, and they will no longer be a problem. Take a small jar and pour in about 3.5 ounces of vinegar. Vinegar has a very strong smell that effectively repels moles and other pests. The next ingredient is lavender essential oil. Its intense aroma enhances the repelling effect and lingers in the soil for a long time. Add a few drops, close the jar, and shake it well. This is a simple homemade mole repellent. When you notice a mound in your garden, make a small hole in it. Take the prepared solution, soak a cotton pad thoroughly, and place it inside. The cotton pad will gradually release the scent and work over time. The smell will quickly spread through the tunnels and create a natural protection for your garden against moles and voles. For a stronger effect, you can pour some of the mixture directly into the hole. Finally, cover the hole with soil. This way you will quickly see how to get rid of moles in your garden. Moles and voles will stop coming back and will start avoiding your garden.